The ABA stock is recovering from the lows of $154 it printed in the post-market session of Friday, the 10th of October 2025. Yeah, so intraday high, if anything, at least it has printed as high as 168.14. So this chart is currently not active right now, but we can still use the projections. We have 187.72. That is, yeah, that's a decent premium from current levels. Let's see what we have. 193.71, 197.81. Those were in place as of the 1st of October. Let's see what do we have. Okay, we also had 198.97, 205.41 as of the 23rd of September. But let's see what we can get from the current levels right now. This is what's going on right now. This stock is not active. This chart is not active yet. Maybe it might get active from in a few minutes time. But fortunately, this one here on think or swim is active. Let's see what we have. We have 168.14, and then we would subtract the base of that candle from it. 168.14. Let's see. 168.14. You subtract, let's see what we have here. We subtract 161.31. We have 6.83. I think this is definitely going to give us more ambitious projections multiplied by 1.618. We have 11. So add that to 167.53. So we have 178. I think, yeah, we're getting prices that are not we haven't seen. Yeah, so these are in the interim. They come in between current levels and the projections of around 187. So this effort is not defeated at all. It makes sense. Makes sense. So let's try again. Okay, minus 167. Okay, 11.05. Okay, let's see. We'll try again. We have 168.33. 168.33 minus 161.51. 6.83. Okay. So multiply 6.83 by 2.618. We have 117.88. You add that to 167.74. We have 185. Yeah. So we're still even getting values that are below 168 we have here. Yeah, so that's the essence of this exercise wasn't defeated. Yeah, we have 187 here on the chart, 187.72. We have been able to get values from between the current level and 187.72. We've got 178.58, 185.62. Yeah, yeah, no downward projections are still stand right now. We can't really read a lot of meaning into the chart right now. But we could still read anyway. Let's see. The current price is 167.64, so that will be somewhere around here. 167.64. Okay, so yeah, so the price pressure momentums will still be negative. They'll still be negative, but a lot with an improvement, and some of these derivatives may would change. Some of them will be positive. So since it's not active now, we just all the much we can do is just use the projections, which are always there. They don't change. Once they have printed, they have printed. They're not going to change. But these are price pressure momentum values. They always are changing. If you want to get the current, if you yeah, they're always changing. Even though they also print as well, but we can't really begin to guess what the values are. So we'll just leave it that way. What we can use is just the projections. We can't use extrapolation because we don't exactly know what it's going to say. with reference to this gain of 5.3%. So yeah, that's the what we can do when the market it should open in, it should begin to get active in a few months time. But I really need to get this out to you. But in any case, it has downward projections of as low as 121.16, 123.88, 128.27, 133.42. Yeah, so that's what's going on. No fresh news has really filtered out. Um, let's see what we have here. We have here. It's not so fresh because this is not reflecting what's going on right now. Yeah, Chinese equities slumped and bond futures climbed as investors grew jittery over the prospect of a revived trade war between Beijing and Washington. Yeah, I don't think it's reflecting this bounce we are looking at right now. The extent of the decline was less severe than the 6.1% slump in the Nasdaq Golden Dragon China Index on Friday. Some investors appear to be using the sell-off to buy the dip amid expectations that was maybe avoided following weekend signals from the White House that is open to a deal. Markets should brace for a near-term volatility from the tariff headlines, but China's diversified export base and swift policy response mean the broad impact on the economy and markets is contained. A lasting deterioration of ties between the two largest economies could imperil one of the world's best performing stock markets this year, as well as a renewed doubt over China's investability. Okay, yeah, so that's what's going on right now. I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.